Hey there guys, I'm back with a style video. This one is about Mel. This is the Mel Jacket. She is a short, oversized like biker jacket. She's got a zipper detail that's just a detail. There's no zipper on it. It's just to look cool. And she is a crop sleeve. So a little shorter sleeve, a little shorter crop, and she's oversized. So she's really kind of voluminous, as we would like to say. So she's really fun. You can kind of like play with her, wear her in different ways, but I wanted to show you that you could wear her with different silhouettes. Because she's a cropped, I think my first notion would be to wear her with everything fitted, and then just throw a crop jacket over. But I wanted to show you her with some wide leg South Street and an oversized Janelle, and kind of like a rocker kind of look. So this is like super duper cute, but I wanted to show you a couple other ways to do Mel, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with Mel. I threw her over one of our older dresses, Helena. This is our like sexy rocker dress. So if you were gonna do a date night or a girls' night out and you wanted to wear a dress, I definitely think Mel is a great cover-up to kind of throw over because she is that wider, oversized, cropped. She still kind of elongates the bottom half of my body. She shows off the curves, but also kind of balances it out, which is nice, so I don't feel too hippie curvy. But she is just a great kind of rocker jacket that you could throw over everything, right? Your sunrise, your cook pants, your Mickeys. You could throw it with shorts or dress. I mean, everything. And because she's in this great dark charcoal double knit, I feel like she goes with so many colors as well. So have fun, try on Mel. She's gonna add a little edge to your outfits. And I hope you love her as much as I do. Thank you so much for joining me here on these style videos. I will be back with more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hope you're having a beautiful day, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.